Yang saya hormati Menteri dengan jajaran dan Gubernur serta jajaran. Saya adalah pengejar mimpi. Dalam mimpi saya ingin suatu saat Danau Toba dikenal oleh dunia, walaupun itu hanya mimpi saya. Oke. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce one place to the person that you're all so incredible. When the sunrise is coming up, with a sparkle like a diamond light, we hear a sound of weather, when people walking to the field. When the sun goes to the west, and misty brown red color magnificent. What you wanna see in your holiday? Whether it's custom, culture, or history. Would you wanna see a beautiful place with many interesting views around? Would you wanna know creation of God that I thought you got? You can swim on the lake. You can feel wind blows on voice of bird from the sky. Come to Lake Toba. Come to Lake Toba. You will enjoy with us. You will enjoy with us. Bring your life together. Another inspiration. Just give what the slack and kind of people. Even micro you can hide. Be still, be silent. One jungle where monkeys or tigers. Come to Lake Toba. Semua kita. Come to Lake Toba. You will be happy there. You will be happy there. We will serve you if you come to our place. A beautiful life you will find. Many travelers say you have to come to Lake Toba when you cross Asia, because it is the most beautiful in the world. Hot spring, waterfall, rivers, flowers, fruit, vegetable, etc. view. If you want to do rafting, jungle trek, just come to our place. Come to Lake Toba. Come to Lake Toba. You will be happy there. You will be happy there. Bring your life together, another inspiration. If you wanna say thank you, you just say Mauliate. But if you wanna say hello, all you need to say is Horas! Saleh, Horas! So lagi. Come to Lake Toba. Come to Lake Toba. You will be happy there. You will be happy there. We will serve you if you come to our place. A beautiful life you will find. Terima kasih.
Nanti dia akan nyanyi lagi, tapi setelah makan. Jadi untuk itu dipastikan supaya tidak ada yang pulang. Nah, gitu. Jadi ini saudara saya ini, Sirait ini, inilah yang menciptakan lagu No Mention dan juga lagu Tari Ngotau.
Itulah sekarang.
Tari nanti Pak. Jadi nanti iklan dulu.